Hey, this is Nicholas at Cashback Cars. Thought I'd show you something a bit different. This is my little brother Emil's drift car. It's all up and running now, going really well. Body's a bit rough, but it's got all the right gear on it for drifting. Radiator, really tight engine. The front suspension and steering geometry is all set up for drifting. As I said, the body's a bit rough, but de-loomed. Only the real basics inside, but full roll cage. All on adjustable suspension. Lovely exhaust. So yeah, look forward to seeing this at track days and going sideways past you somewhere soon.